Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to The Big Sweep, the channel where we make cleaning and organizing a breeze. I'm Kelly, and today we've got a special video for you. 7 habits of lazy people who always have a clean home. Yes, you heard that right. Lazy people with spotless homes. Before we discover their secrets, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our future episodes. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the end for a bonus idea that will change the game. Now let's dive in. Habit number 1, the power of procrastination. Lazy people have mastered the art of putting things off until later. But here's the twist. They procrastinate strategically. Instead of letting things pile up, they tackle tasks when it's most convenient for them, ensuring a consistently clean home. Habit number 2, minimalist magic. Lazy individuals often keep their living spaces clutter-free by adopting a minimalist approach. Less stuff means less to clean, and they've figured out that simplicity equals less stress. So next time you're tempted to buy that unnecessary item, think twice. Habit number 3, strategic storage solutions. Lazy people are experts at finding clever storage solutions that require minimal effort. From utilizing underbed storage to hanging organizers on doors, they make sure everything has its place, making cleaning a breeze. Habit number 4, divide and conquer. Lazy folks are pros at delegating tasks. They've mastered the art of assigning chores to family members, or even hiring help when needed. By sharing the load, they maintain a clean home without breaking a sweat. Habit number 5, daily microcleaning. Lazy people don't wait for messes to become disasters. They perform small, quick cleaning tasks daily, preventing the need for major cleanup sessions. It's all about efficiency and consistency. Habit number 6, smart automation. Lazy individuals love smart gadgets that do the work for them. From robotic vacuum cleaners to self-cleaning litter boxes, they invest in tools that make maintaining a clean home practically effortless. Habit number 7, mastering the 2-minute rule. Lazy people follow the 2-minute rule religiously. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, they tackle it immediately. This prevents small tasks from piling up and turning into overwhelming chores. And now, for our bonus idea, the power of habit stacking. Lazy people know that building habits is key to maintaining a consistently clean home. They stack cleaning tasks onto existing habits, like wiping down surfaces after making coffee or doing a quick sweep before bedtime. Lazy people keep a basket or bin to collect items that don't belong in a particular space. When they are going to a different room, they will take items from the basket with them and put them away. This saves steps and keeps things tidy. It's all about integrating cleaning seamlessly into daily routines. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep for more cleaning inspiration, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. What are your lazy cleaning hacks? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.